We, Prisha Sahai and Pritisha Srivastav, today we are going to present our project IAMS, Intelligent Agricultural Management System. Agriculture is the backbone of India and supports millions of farmers as well as the food security of our nation. However, farmers face many challenges such as water shortages, climate change, crop diseases and declining in soil quality. To address these challenges, we developed IAMS, an AI-powered system that helps farmers make smarter decisions through real-time monitoring, predictions, and personalized recommendations. Now, Pritisha will explain the problem we are trying to solve.
Okay, so if we look at some statistics, we can see that India is the world's largest user of groundwater and agricultural consumes nearly 80% of the country's freshwater resources. At the same time, pests, diseases, and climate stress destroy between 20 to 40% of crop yields per year. The groundwater levels are declining, fertile land is decreasing. Food demand continues to rise, population growth. These challenges threaten both farmers' livelihoods and India's long-term food security.
The scale of this issue is enormous. More than 140 million farmers depend on agriculture. India loses approximately 1.5 lakh crore rupees annually due to crop losses. Around 70% of groundwater in key agricultural regions is being depleted, and nearly 600 million citizens depend on stable agricultural production for food security. Without intervention, these problems may become even more severe in the future.
Introducing IAMS. This is an AI-powered platform that senses farm conditions, processes data, analyzes risk, and recommends solutions and helps farmers take action. This system combines sensors, weather information, crop data, satellite imagery, and AI analysis. It supports multiple Indian languages and is designed to work on smartphones, making it accessible even for rural farmers.
The workflow for IAMS consists of 5 steps. First, data is collected from soil sensors, weather reports, water sources, crop health monitoring, and satellite imagery. Second, the data is processed and organized. Third, Gemini AI analyzes the information. Fourth, the system predicts risks such as disease outbreak, low yields, and water shortages. Finally, the recommendation engine generates personalized advice for the farmer.
So if we look at the live dashboard, which provides farmers with real-time information, displaying soil pH, groundwater levels, crop health, and sustainability scores. Sensor data can be automatically synchronized with the dashboard. The dashboard also generates alerts for droughts, flood, pests, and diseases so that the farmers can respond quickly.
One of the most important features of IAMS is the recommendation engine. It analyzes 6 major sources of information: land, soil, water, weather, crop data, and satellite imagery. Using this information, the AI recommends suitable crops, crop rotation plans, irrigation schedules, fertilizers usage, and protection measures against diseases and pests. This helps farmers improve productivity while conserving resources.
So the RAI assistant, RAI as in the Hindi word for advice. It is an AI assistant powered by the Gemini AI, which farmers can use to communicate using voice or text in their preferred language. The assistant can answer questions, provide recommendation, analyze crop images, and use real-time farm data to give highly personalized guidance. This makes expert agricultural support available anytime.
The image diagnosis engine allows farmers to simply take a picture of their crop. The image is analyzed using Gemini Vision AI. This system identifies diseases, nutrient deficiencies, or pest attacks and provides a treatment plan along with a confidence score. This enables early detection and prevents major crop losses.
So the IMS relies on a network of sensors. Soil sensors monitor pH, moisture, nutrients, and fertility, whereas water sensors track groundwater levels and irrigation efficiency. Weather sensors monitor temperature, humidity, rainfall, and climate risk, while the crop centers dominate over growth and health, while imaging systems collect visual information from cameras. Together, these sensors provide a complete picture of the farm condition.
India is a diverse country with many languages. Therefore, IAMS provides 11 Indian languages including Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Urdu, Oriya, and English. The system provides voice input, text-to-speech output, and localized interfaces. This ensures that farmers can use their platform comfortably in their own language.
The expected impact at the farmer level is significant. Crop yields can increase by 25 to 35%. Water uses can be reduced to 30 to 40% through smart irrigation. Early disease detection can prevent 60 to 80% of diagnosable crop losses. Most importantly, farmers receive personalized guidance in their local language.
At the national level, IAMS can strengthen food security for millions of people. It can help conserve groundwater resources, support climate adaptation, and reduce dependency on agricultural imports. By promoting sustainable farming practices, the system contributes to a stronger and more resilient agricultural sector.
So our roadmap consists of 4 phases. The current phase includes the dashboard, recommendation engine, RAI assistant, and the multilingual support. Future phases will introduce drone and satellite integration, government collaboration, and eventually a nationwide IoT sensor network connecting farms across the country. This will allow the platform to scale effectively across India.
To conclude, IAMS combines artificial intelligence, IoT sensors, computer vision, and multilingual communication to support farmers with smarter agricultural decisions. By reducing crop losses, conserving water, improving productivity, and promoting sustainability, IAMS has the potential to transform agriculture in India. Thank you for listening.
So now moving to the prototype. So this is the prototype. As you can see, it has the 11 languages, and for the ease of everyone, we'll be choosing English for now. This is the dashboard. We can see the statistics here. This is the live sensor input. We have a field camera that it also accesses the camera here, or we can also upload images from the gallery. So it tells us the recommendations which change according to the input. So if I say the groundwater levels are low and the previous crop was maize and the weather risk, we have a flood warning, let's say. The recommendations change. Now it tells us to plant vegetables and makes a rotation plan for us. Here we have 2 options since the sensors are not yet planted. So we have an option of filling manually. On the basis of it, it gives the output. And it also elaborates on the output, pulses, so why pulses, educating the farmers side by side. If we look at the irrigation schedule, the exact amount of water on each cycle, fertilizers, exact amount of fertilizers in each spray cycle. Now for the RI assistant, I pass over to Prashant.
So for RAI assistant, Rai, we can ask whatever question regarding our field. We have a camera option and a gallery option as we had in the dashboard. So we also have an audio system. Let's say my field is flooded and waterlogged. What should I plant? Let's say. So the RAS assistant is powered by Gemini AI. It can also be used by audio. So let's say here. Okay. The volume is low, but it is there.
Why did it stop at that? Why did it stop at?
Because we accidentally paused it, right? So we can also speak like let's say my field has experienced a drought. Let's say that. My field has experienced a drought. What should I plant? So there is a text-to-speech option, there's an audio, and the audio depends on the language. So it depends wholly on the language, what language you choose. If we choose Hindi, it will speak in Hindi.
So if I have selected Hindi, it will detect the speech in Hindi and answer in Hindi, recite the output in Hindi as well. So if I say, पत्तियां झड़ गई हैं.
Wait, if I have done anything more than YSB here, they will be.
Okay. So, yes, so we have the AI workflow here. So we have the AI workflow here, and Prisha.
The AI workflow just shows the process, sensor data collection, data processing, AI analysis, prediction outputs, and recommendation engine. It also shows the impact that this will provide for the farmers. Like it just shows what IAMS can provide for the farmers. What let's say how a big impact it will get on the farmers. They will get educated from just an app.
So that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, I had one question. You had the website language set to Hindi,
Yes.
but then after that you type the prompt in Hindi as well, and the error it came in.
No, when we typed the prompt, it came. But as we know in AI, the voice sometimes misinterprets what we are saying.
So that was a minor glitch. If we can run it again if you want. It was working earlier, it will work now as well.
Thank you, sir.